Bad throwout bearing symptoms. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever pressed down your clutch pedal and noticed a strange noise? Or maybe your gear shifts just don't feel as smooth as they used to? Well, today we're diving into the symptoms of a bad throwout bearing. And by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to spot the signs early, but you'll also save yourself from costly repairs down the road. Trust me, you'll never look at your clutch system the same way again. So, let's get into it. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What is a throwout bearing? Before we talk about the symptoms, let's quickly clear up what a throwout bearing actually is. The throwout bearing, sometimes called the clutch release bearing, is a small but critical part of your clutch system. It's the component that allows smooth engagement and disengagement of the clutch when you press the pedal. When you step on the clutch pedal, the throwout bearing presses against the pressure plate, separating the clutch disc from the flywheel, which lets you shift gears. If that bearing goes bad, your whole driving experience can get rough really fast. Symptom 1. Strange noises when pressing the clutch pedal. One of the most common and earliest symptoms of a failing throwout bearing is noise. You might hear a whining, grinding, or growling sound that appears specifically when you press down the clutch pedal. The sound may go away once you release the pedal. That's a huge red flag. The bearing is supposed to spin smoothly and silently, but once it starts wearing out, it creates friction and produces noise. Ignore it, and that sound will only get louder over time. Symptom 2. Vibration in the clutch pedal. Have you ever felt a strange vibration or pulsation in your clutch pedal when you press it down? That's another giveaway that the bearing is worn out. What's happening is the bearing isn't making smooth contact with the pressure plate anymore, so it sends those vibrations straight to your foot. This may start subtle at first, just a slight shake. But as the bearing wears further, the vibration becomes more noticeable and uncomfortable. Symptom 3. Difficulty shifting gears. A bad throwout bearing can also make shifting gears difficult or jerky. Why? Because the clutch isn't fully disengaging. That means your gears are basically fighting each other when you try to shift. You may notice grinding noises when going into first or reverse, or a delay when shifting while driving. And trust me, if you've ever felt your car resist gear changes, you know how frustrating and potentially dangerous it can be. Symptom 4. Stiff or spongy clutch pedal. Another symptom is changes in how your clutch pedal feels. Sometimes the pedal becomes harder to press, feeling stiff and resistant. Other times it can feel mushy or spongy, giving you no real feedback. Both are signs that something's wrong in the clutch system, and if you pair this with noise or vibration, you can almost bet the throwout bearing is the culprit. If you are liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Symptom 5. Burning smell. Now, this one is a bit more advanced. If your throwout bearing is really failing, you might start to notice a burning smell coming from under the hood. That smell is caused by excess friction. Basically, the bearing is overheating because it's not spinning smoothly anymore. At this point, you're not just dealing with a bad bearing. You could be causing damage to other clutch components, like the pressure plate, or even your clutch disc itself. Symptom 6. Inconsistent clutch engagement. Last but not least, you may notice that your clutch engages inconsistently. Sometimes it feels like it grabs too early, other times too late. This happens because the bearing isn't operating smoothly, throwing off the entire clutch timing. It makes driving unpredictable and can even put you in risky situations when you need to shift quickly, like merging onto a highway. Why you shouldn't ignore these symptoms. Now, here's the big warning. Ignoring a bad throwout bearing doesn't just mean a noisy or uncomfortable ride. If the bearing completely fails,
It can cause serious damage to your clutch system, including destroying your pressure plate, wearing down your clutch disc, or even damaging your transmission input shaft. And here's the kicker. Replacing just a throwout bearing isn't super expensive, but if you let it go until it destroys other parts, you're looking at hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in repair bills. So if you notice strange noises when pressing the clutch pedal vibration, difficulty shifting gears, a stiff or spongy clutch pedal, a burning smell, or inconsistent clutch engagement, it's time to have your clutch system checked out immediately. A failing throwout bearing is not something to ignore. Catching it early will save you money, headaches, and possibly your transmission. So guys, that's everything you need to know about the symptoms of a bad throwout bearing. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below if you've ever experienced any of these symptoms with your car. I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your car before it's too late.